Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai Pet Jaka Tnat Bording UAT Mondal negasngi habakren bat kinong thok khubor ulaong. Baga Tnat Bording ka Thrang man Pynbiang Jaka Bording haka Jylla haka dor ka babit. Ula benrap da ka baong baka Tnat ka don lai benta kata ka bayadei bat ka metering ka jingsam boarding ne ka distribution bat ka project management. Nakaliang umondal ulayat hu banadu mensyua kila dep ban sedang ya ka ni ka project. Halor ka smart meter haka ba ka sorkar kala pinkut no ya ka jingyasoy sa skular badminta kila Pynbiang ban khot tenda. Syuk nakaliang umintri ke Tnat Bording ulay thu ba ka sorkar kala menjur ban mang pisa nak benta ban penhe ya ki substation hamau lai ban nehu kumju ru ban bu ya ka substation hamau khanu nak benta ban pen klan syuk ban kit ya ka jingkhya nak benta ka sor shillong ulay thu ba ka sorkar kan bu ya ki substation haman ki civil hospital nak benta ban Pynbiang ya ki boarding syaki ni ki Jaka sumar nakaliang ke Tnat kala kerpat ban ai Jaka khnang bakin la ban pendep ya ki ni ki jingdan kam khnang baka boarding kan omthut.
The revamped distribution sector basically aiming to provide 24/7 uninterrupted quality, reliable and affordable power supply, and this also will increase the operational efficiency and financial stability of the DISCOMs. So on that basis this scheme has been formulated. This also will bring down the AT&C losses and the actual cost of supply and actual revenue realized gap also. Basically, this scheme is having two parts. In the first part, there are three components. One is metering, that is the first component. Second one is distribution infrastructure work, and third one is project management. In the first part, metering, we had tendered for the smart metering quite long time back, and at that particular point of time there were three bidders. That was first NIT was floated on 25th November 2022 and bid were opened on 23rd February 2023. Out of these three bidders, one of the bidder was blacklisted, and the matter was brought to the notice of MECL. Not that directly the bidder, but one of the joint venture partner of bidder was blacklisted, and this matter we have referred to RSC, and ultimately RSC has confirmed that this bidder has been blacklisted, and the matter was taken to the board of director, and accordingly that bidder was given the information that he is not qualified, and ultimately the bidder went to the court, to the Honorable High Court, and Honorable High Court also withheld this, and ultimately taking all legal routes, we have cancelled that bid. Then again we have retendered on 15th of January 2024, and now again three bidders have come. Among the three bidders, again there was a complaint that one of the bidder is blacklisted in Jharkhand, and the same has been followed by the Haryana, one of the DISCOM of Haryana, and when we return to them, they have returned to us, returned back us that the matter has been resolved, and they have been again that ban has been removed from them, and accordingly we have removed. But in the process, the bid validity period was already exhausted. Then we asked the bidders to go for bid validity, and they have extended, except one MS Adani Energy Solutions, they have not gone for extension. So ultimately we have opened the remaining two bids, and one of the bidders was successfully awarded the bid. So the entire matter we have brought to the notice of the cabinet, and today cabinet has approved. So this is the entire thing as per the AMISP is considered. Another three issues were there. This is small issues. You must be aware that like Shillong, where we are going for expansion and upgradation of substation because the demand is increasing every day. And accordingly, we have decided that Nehu and Maulai substation will be upgraded. And we are having another new substation at Senses and a proposed substation at Maukanu to take the load factor of Shillong city. Similarly, in Tura also, our demand has reached to 20 megawatt, which needs more substations, either new substations or upgraded substations. So accordingly, we have moved to the government to provide us land because there are some readily available land, and we have requested the government to give us land. So there will be one substation in the sericulture office campus. The NPDCL vis-a-vis the government has decided that all the civil subdivision, civil hospitals should have dedicated power supply. So on the pilot basis, we are taking up Shillong and Tura civil hospitals. In case if there is any eventuality of outages and all these things, so that we can provide uninterrupted power supply to these hospitals. So accordingly, we have requested the government to give us a plot of land in the sericulture office campus in Tura, which we will utilize to go for a 33 by 11 kV and 5 MVA substation dedicatedly for Tura Civil Hospital. And to augment other areas also, we have asked for government land opposite to Danagiri BSF camp and another one at MTC land in Dakopgiri. And government has agreed to give these three plot of land. And with these three substation coming at Tura, the load factor of Tura will be taken care of so that there is no excess load and then substation goes out of the service and all these things. So and one that smart metering issues were cleared by the cabinet today.
Well, sir, we have a question in this regard. You said that the government has asked the bidders to go for bid validity and they have extended except one MS Adani Energy Solution. Is it the same Adani Group?
That is the solution. I don't know whether same Adani Group or this is Adani Group Solutions.
Okay, and those who have accepted, if you can mention who are these?
Here are the names.
Yeah.
One is Jackson Limited joint venture with MS Bodri Rai and Company and MS Flugrid Limited, and one is MS Anvil Cables Private Limited.
Sir, I have another question. Will you be because there is, I'm slightly not clear.
It is the primary company is Jackson Limited. They are joint venture with Bodri Rai, but they have not got the tender, so the matter remains there.
So what was the tender?
This is Anvil Cables Private Limited.
And where are they from?
They are from Calcutta.
And when this
Place what they tell exactly. The scheme is time bound and sunset date being 31st March 2026. Big way. Because if you see the nomenclature RDSS, Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme, that means many places we will take care of all the issues like theft and all these things. Even we are planning to go for covered wires and all these things. So this will reduce, minimize. Initially our loss was around 35%. We have come down almost 17% now. So we expect to go for, we are targeting to go as at least of national level of 12 to 13%. But it is a very big task. Everybody's cooperation is also required.
Sir, you mentioned about this smart metering thing. So there are, in fact, we have seen in certain areas there are apprehensions and all. How government is going to deal?
Oh, no, we will take all apprehensions. See, what we discussed in the cabinet also, at length also, that we will be providing that frequently asked questions. People may require those informations also. We will try to take the stakeholders also into. And only apprehension that there may be huge jump of energy bills. So we'll put check meters also in cases where there is certain. That means one smart meter will be there, by side we'll put one analog meters also, and we will see that how the variation is there. But smart meter captures everything, how you are using your electricity. So if you use judiciously, then it will help you reduce the bill also. So we will take all the points into consideration before we go for the implementation.